Hey y'all, it's Mary and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats. Welcome to my channel. I have a PRIMEVOLVE fan and y'all look at what this fan can do. This is really interesting. First of all, look at how compact it is. It came packaged in this nice little box and this comes from Amazon and I'll have the link below for you. This is the fan itself. It's very nice, very attractive, small, 8.5 inches across. So when you get this fan, you can do lots with this fan. It comes with an instruction manual, thank goodness. And this right here, it's easy to operate though. You can pull this up and use this like this as your base on your table, on your desk, wherever, on the floor, blowing up, whichever you'd like to do. Also, this base has where you can hook it to the wall if you want to. It also has these nice rubber places where it won't slide. It won't slide off of where you have it. And that also will hold it nicely on the floor, because now look what else this can do. Now I'm going to attempt to show you. This, I'm putting it up straight. All right, hang on. You unclick it there and look at that. It comes up like this, okay? So now you have this height, if you like this height, okay? And it's going to be difficult to demonstrate because this also then lifts up. This can be a floor fan, and you can position it into different positions. So you just give it a gentle lift, see, like that. And you can make it quite tall. You can see these different parts here that you can pull out of here. So if I do that, it'll be out of frame. So I'll put it back down. It's very easy to handle. And it is operated not by electricity. You use a USB port to charge it up. So you can take this with you. Whoops, I didn't snap it into place. You can take this with you camping. You can take this with you. You can use it out on the porch. You can lock it into place. And it does have a remote. I don't know if I told you that yet. It has a remote and it came with the USB port also. So I'm going to show you how. Okay, you can see I did extend it some. It can go all the way to the floor, but if I do that, then I won't be able to show you how it works. So there is your on-off button. The cord is very short and you really need to charge it. Because then you don't need the cord. So there's the on-off button, and then there's different settings to the fan, and then there's also a light on here, and then there's the remote. So I'm not sure, there we go. I just used the remote to turn it on, and then it says 1, 2, 3, and the lights. So you can turn the light off. It's adjusting. It had a couple of settings on the light. And then it has a couple of settings on the fan. It was on 1, now it's on 2. And even on 3, you can see it's not very loud, which is nice. It's on the quiet side. And you can turn the fan off, but still have the light on if you'd like. So it's really cool. And then there's adjusting of the light again. And then to turn the whole thing off. It's really has a nice power to it for being so small. And then, like I said, you can direct it different ways, which is nice. And it's just a really cool thing to take with you. You can have this with you anywhere. If you have a picnic outside and you want a little bit of air, you can just take it with you. And it just pushes back in. Now I did down, this base locks in place here. You twist this and then it'll move again. So make sure you do that to keep it where it doesn't fall. See, it locks into place. And it's just the coolest thing. I just thought I would show it to you. PRIMEVOLVE sent this to me free for review. And when they said, would you like to have it? I said, well, sure, I'll try it. I'll see how it works. And I just like how small it is and how powerful it is. It's really powerful. And every house needs a fan. So, and then also, like I said, you can just take it out. It gets very hot here in the South. So sometimes if you're sitting out on the porch or out in the yard, you may want a little air blowing on you. So this is a nice thing to take with you. So you can charge it up and everything. So y'all, thanks for stopping by and seeing this. This is the PRIMEVOLVE. Let me put it down and tell you exactly what this one is called. They have several. When I put the link below, if you want to go in, you can see what else they have. PRIMEVOLVE portable battery operated fan. And this is the package. And so see, you can make it several different heights. And I love that you can also mount it to the wall if you'd like to. So thanks for stopping by and seeing this really cool fan, y'all, and count your blessings. Bye-bye.